Apple is pulling off a massive surprise for 2026. Forget everything you knew about the usual iPhone lineup. We just got our first solid look at the flagship iPhone 18 Pro Max and a wild new hybrid called the iPhone Ultra.
Word from the supply chain in Cupertino says Apple is splitting the launch.
The standard iPhone 18 is being pushed to next year, meaning all the spotlight this September is entirely on these two premium powerhouses. First up, the iPhone 18 Pro Max. Visually, it's a refined beast. The chassis uses a new polished grade 5 titanium alloy, and that annoying dynamic island? It's drastically shrunk down to a tiny, elegant punch hole cutout.
Under the hood, this thing is packing the world's first 2nm chipset, the A20 Pro.
This means blazing fast processing speeds for local AI tasks, while drawing almost 30% less battery life.
The biggest upgrade on the Pro Max is the camera. Apple is introducing a physical variable aperture system. The main lens actually opens and closes mechanically to give you true DSLR-like background blur in low light.
But the real showstopper is this, the iPhone Ultra. This is Apple's official entry into the foldable market, and it's a book-style hybrid that folds out into a seamless, mind-blowing 7.8-inch display.
What makes the Ultra insane is the engineering. When it's fully unfolded, it measures an impossible 4.5 millimeters thin. It feels like you're just holding a floating piece of glass with zero crease in the middle. Both of these models are rumored to debut a stunning new signature color called Dark Cherry, a deep, moody metallic crimson that looks absolutely incredible under the light. Now for the catch. This level of tech won't be cheap. The Pro Max will hold its premium tier, but the Ultra is expected to push past the $2,000 mark, targeting absolute power users.
So, are you saving up for the massive screen on the Pro Max? Or are you waiting to go futuristic with the foldable Ultra? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Tech Support Hub 24/7.